Put the cables at the bottom. Go ahead, grab them. You want to come in the center of the machine. Keep your hands out nice and wide, natural. You want to do a triangular motion and bring it to right under your chin and squeeze that chest and shoulders. Palms facing upward, but not only upward, but inward. Arms not locked, but slightly bent elbows. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and squeeze that chest. We're going to make a beautiful center chest. Bent knees, hip, knee, ankle, all lined up, abs tight. He's not swaying back and forth. Notice how he's just coming to his sides. He's not going past and passing his hips. The minute you pass your hips here, your shoulders go out of rotation, everything gets thrown off. So arms just come down to your sides, right by your hips. You come up, you squeeze that chest. Wrists aren't moving. Neck is nice and straight. Look at that chest getting worked.